Now we're going into the crawling, and this is where I was talking about that bear crawl. First of all, can she keep her eye on the prize? You can see where, again, her vision can go up, but it needs to go down, right? Because she's looking to stabilize. No child crawling really should be looking down. You can see where she's not synchronized off through the knees. She wants to get to where she needs to go. And everybody's excited that she's finally independent and can get to where she needs to go. But hopefully what you're really seeing is that this just isn't a great crawl. But please tell me you're seeing that maybe the tummy time wasn't great. Now they're rolling over. Most likely she used her feet or her head to roll over. And now, again, you're starting to see just those little movement inconsistencies start to happen physically, manifest into her vertical transfer. Now, this little guy is like a drunk sailor, and I really feel for him. He's really trying to look to where he's going. Again, look at where his eyes go, and then see when your eyes go down, you go down. Right? And where he has to capture where he needs to go. His spine's not crossing midline. You're not seeing those little shoulders that I'm showing you, all of those kind of things. And again, someone's going to say, oh, if he just gets a little stronger. Arnold Schwarzenegger can't play the piano because he's too strong. You don't get those fine motor skills. Babies aren't meant to be strong. They're meant to have weight transfer, transferable movements, right? And core movements, not core strength. This is a time when your organization is going from your upper body to your lower body through the pelvis. All that has to be fluid. And you're just, again, this little guy is just having the problem. Now, here's a milestone prevention. This is another thing that we can say: environment. Max is my cover of my newborn movement assessment. Max is now just about to turn 8. But in his first lesson with me, he was in the NICU for 10 days. He was missing part of his heart. We knew it from in utero. So again, stress pregnancy, because we knew at 20 weeks that he was missing, he had right tricrustal atresia. And he had to have surgery at 6 months. Now, he was too young for surgery. He was too low weight, but he had to have it. So it was, we called it Operation Butterball. We could not even allow him to cry because he would expend calories. So we actually prevented him, even though he was getting his movement lessons, he was not allowed to go into any kind of milestones because of expending calories. We needed to get him, heavier. So crawling, this is what it should look like. Look at how just nice those eyes are. They can go near and far, and they're just coming into play really nicely for your child. Again, just real easy. You'll see the synchronized movements. Again, that independent of the pelvis for when they stop. And that's what you're looking for in your child.